Hi everybody, welcome to the Waldock Way. I'm Jessica, and today's video is going to be my Amazon Prime haul. Now I'm collaborating with Abby from Fulltime Wife Life, who will also be sharing her Amazon Prime Day haul today. So make sure you check out that description box down below for the link to her video. We are also collaborating to give one of you a $25 Amazon gift card so that you can go do your own mini haul. So make sure you check out the description box down below for the link to that as well. It will have all of the details and everything you have to do to enter to win. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the haul. Now I will go ahead and let you know that there's about 3 or 4 things that haven't arrived yet. They're actually due to be here tomorrow, but I didn't want to wait too much longer to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got today, and then I'll just tell you what else I got and insert pictures in the video as I talk about them. The first thing I got was the Amazon Echo Dot. Now we have the taller Echo in our living room. We have an Echo Dot in Emily's bedroom, and I just decided that for the price that these were over Prime Day, that I would get one for my bedroom. I love them for audiobooks and music. I love that you can intercom them all together so we can have music throughout the entire house. And I also use mine for my shopping list. So if I'm in my bedroom or my bathroom and I run out of something, she can hear me in there with this one now. I also use the Prime Day or Prime Books 19 for the $5 off of $15 or more on these Magic School Bus Rides Again books. So these we've actually already read these, but Emily really enjoyed them, and these were the books that she asked for her birthday, which is coming up in a few days. So I picked these up for her. That's also one of the reasons I'm hiding in my office, because there are birthday and Christmas gifts in here. So if you happen to know us personally, don't tell my daughter what you saw in this video. And then the big thing that we got her for Christmas that we're going to be putting up is a telescope. We also picked up a digital microscope. And then of course I picked up a ton of games. So the Logic Roots math games deal was just too good to pass up. And even though we're not ready for some of these concepts yet, I'll put them up for Christmas, and then we'll be ready when that time comes around. So I picked up the Ocean Raiders, the Mountain Raiders, the Cloud Hoppers, the Monster Sock Factory, the Pet Me, and the Big Catch games from them. Now we also picked up a duplicate copy of we call it Carcassonne. I'm sure that's not right, so don't butcher my speech on that. But we actually already have this game, but it was too good of a deal to pass up, so we picked it up for maybe a Christmas gift or even just a copy to keep at the grandparents because it's one we love so much. And then I also picked up Photosynthesis because it was an amazing deal as well. And then the last game I picked up isn't in yet, and it is the GeoToys USA and World Bingo. And then I also picked up this colorful Brain Logic puzzle, as well as this rainbow block building toy. So that was my Amazon Prime Day haul. Make sure you head over to Abby's channel at Fulltime Wife Life to see her Amazon Prime Day haul. And don't forget to click that link to enter the giveaway to win that $25 gift card.